So I will now give a very brief overview of public health nutrition specialization of our department. First, I'll start with the vision of our department, which is to create world-class committed public health, dietetics, nutrition, and food science professionals who can contribute meaningfully to the social, economic, and health development of the global community. And the number of alumni that we've been having from all parts of the world actually testify that how good we have been in this area. Our mission is also to persistently update our curriculum, conduct ongoing research in ongoing and emerging areas, partner with various stakeholders to nutrition outcomes for the populations-based advocacy and national program implementation. Next, so our public health nutrition operating philosophy actually rests on four to five pillars: system strengthening, capacity building, operations research and creating evidence base, partnership building and convergence, and finally, nutrition advocacy. So in all these areas, we tend to support system strengthening the government programs to achieve global nutrition targets, SDG targets with all the ongoing programs like ICDS, Ayushman Bharat, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, etc. And then we also do a lot of work in the area of capacity building, where we do conduct joint training programs for field functionaries, caregivers, supervisors for improving nutrition and health status of vulnerable groups. We do a lot of need-based research and impact evaluation of various programs in urban, rural, and tribal areas. And very big part is about we try to foster partnerships with intersectoral collaborations with various stakeholders, including CSR, PPP model, for and nutrition sectors, sensitive sectors like agriculture, education, WASH, to achieve the WHO nutrition and SDG, nutrition related SDG targets, and not to miss the food and nutrition security by implementing and the utilization of evidence-based informed actions to improve nutrition in vulnerable age groups like maternal, infant, young children. And we also work for strengthening MDM program for school children. And of course, all this culminates in the evidence-based advocacy. We all have also worked and done good advocacy for reaching the unreached, the population like women who are in jail, hearing impaired children, etc. Next, we have received a lot of recognitions for our work in the area of public health nutrition. I have not gone very back, but from 1980, I have just picked up. We were ICMR Nutrition Research Training Center in 1980. Then 1984, we got an award for Institute of Excellence for Maternal and Child Health by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. From 1995 to 2012, we were a WHO collaborating center for our research, being recognized for research in various areas, namely the 5 areas that I have shown here: anemia control, weaning foods, maternal and child health nutrition, diet-related non-communicable diseases, and research in promotion and for nutrition development. So we are the only department to offer UG to PG doctoral program in public health nutrition in Southeast Asia region. This was a study which was conducted by PHFI, and they had testified for this. Recently, something very good that has been done by one of our staff members is to create awareness and advocacy at university level for thalassemia screening of students. And this was based on our research on thalassemia, which led to university receiving special award from Red Cross Society of India and Government of Gujarat. Also, university was certified for excellence in performance in Best University in Gujarat for being the first university to advocate compulsory thalassemia screening among university incumbents, those who take admissions. We have various copyrights, and we have now lately been a little more serious about taking these copyrights, and so I think this number will keep growing. So various copyrights have already been received. As I said, partnerships working with stakeholders, because nobody can work alone. It is very important that we work with partners, forge alliances, and this is what we have been doing in our department. One is we try to create evidence by funding some operations research. So we have projects like Harvest Plus from IFPRI, Washington, DFS kit validation from Nutritional International Canada, Cornell Initiative for Agri-Nutrition, toddler food for adolescent girls who live in hostels, Aadhaar tribal hostels. We have projects on maternal nutrition, Jan Andolan, Kishori Jagrut Abhiyan, diet diversity in aspirational focus district of Gujarat, Narmada. We've done various. UNICEF has been a very close partner of ours, and we have done a lot of projects with them. And we also work locally with our Vadodara Mahanagar Seva Sangh, that is municipal corporation. We have done projects with them on preconception, nutrition improvement, baby-friendly hospital initiative by forming alliance with lot of local partners. We have received some recent recognitions. One is about outstanding contribution towards celebration of World Breastfeeding Week by WABA. This was an all India competition, and we received this with WABA and BPNI had given us this award. Academia, Government of India, Government of Gujarat, UNICEF collaborations are, as I said, are always continuing at national and state level. We have had MOUs now developed with various counterparts, about 5 from Spain and USA, and staff have been in the nutrition advisory capacity and have also worked closely with other counterparts like ICON India, GIZ, etc. So that was about international engagements, and this you can see the slide full of our engagements with national stakeholders and stakeholders. And I'm very happy to say that I don't think there is any stakeholder who works in the area of nutrition directly or indirectly we do not partner with. So we're working on advocacy with NITI Aayog, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, MHRD, FSSAI, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, National Coalition led by MOHF for mapping of deficiency disorders, NLRM, ICMR, and in Gujarat, Gujarat Science and Technology, Nutrition Cell of ICDS, Nutritional International, Department of Health and Family Welfare, State Committee of FSSAI, ICDS Society of Vadodara, Deepak Foundation, which is an NGO, GOG Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan Vadodara, and district level nutrition brigade at Vadodara. This is just to name a few. There may be few, 1 or 2, which are also already missed. But I just wanted to show that this is something that we really work with partners, and I feel that is very, very important in the area of public health nutrition. As I said earlier, this is a segment which actually doesn't come in system strengthening or, but nutrition advocacy is very strong area for these, because these are children who are not yet coming into any major programming. So reaching the unreached is one group of a set of studies that we have been doing, like for women behind bars in central prison, childcare institutions in Vadodara district, hearing impaired, underprivileged adolescents, street children, etc., where we try to give in nutrition health interventions, try to look at their menus in various places like central prison, etc., so that the women and children improved nutritional status can be seen. So a lot of these activities, CD, etc., are also been produced for hearing impaired children, for them to see visually and understand what we are trying to talk about. So I think that's all brief overview of our public health nutrition